Hey guys, what's up? It's Mac and Jack. Welcome back to our channel. You guys, I am so excited about today's video. I am actually filming at night, which I never do, so this feels totally weird right now. I usually film like on Saturdays in the morning or the afternoon, so it's just so weird. I got my package in today and I wanted to show it to y'all, and I wanted to actually open it. I didn't want to open it before I did my video, so it's still in the box. I haven't opened it. It is a vintage 2000s Diva Star doll, and her name is Alexa, and I just want to know if I am the only one who remembers Diva Stars. I absolutely loved that game. I played it on my computer when I was a kid, and I had all 4 of the talking dolls. I believe there was 4 of them. And I also had some of the huggable ones. I think it's what they call it, like those softer ones, because the other ones are like the interactive talking ones. And I came across it on eBay and I just couldn't pass it up. And it was here in like 2 days. So I'm just super excited right now to open this. I've actually been I've started to collect some of my childhood toys, and eBay is very dangerous because there is a lot of stuff on there, and I'm trying to pace myself, but I do want to get a few of my childhood toys. And fortunately, I actually do have a lot of my toys at my parents' house, and when my grandma passed away, she had a bunch of our stuff there, so I got to take that with me. I've got several totes of stuff that I had when I was a kid, and I would love to show that with you guys. Let me know if you're interested in seeing some of my childhood toys and stuff like that. But anyway, so that's just one of those things that I did not save when I was a child, and I really regret it. I wish I would have. All my Diva Stars are gone. So I saw the huggable one and it just sparked a memory, and it was happy, and I was like, you know what, I want to get it, and I have a place for it in my closet. I'm gonna display it, and I'm just super excited about it because it just makes me happy looking at it, and it's like those happy memories that you want. And yeah, so we're gonna open it now because I can't wait any longer. So this one doesn't come with like a change of clothes or anything, but the talking dolls, the ones that are like interactive, have magnetic snap-on clothes, which I always thought was so cool. So I may end up getting one of those dolls because they're really not as expensive as I thought. I've looked on eBay, Poshmark, Mercari, so I don't know. I may not. I'm trying not to get too much. Like I said, I need to pace myself, but I just got an eBay account and I probably shouldn't have. I'm trying to sell on there as well, but I haven't had any luck yet, so. Okay. Oh my goodness. Oh, there's a thank you card. Your order made my day. I hope this package makes yours. Thank you so much for your order. We hope you enjoy the Diva Stars Alexa doll. If you are happy with this purchase, please leave positive feedback. That is very nice. I will definitely leave positive feedback, I'm sure. I don't think that there would be a problem with it. I hope. Okay. Oh my gosh. This is so awesome, you guys. Wow. It's in the package, you guys. I mean, I'm gonna have to keep the box that comes with it too. It's wrapped up. The only thing is, I am gonna stick it in the washing machine. I think I can. Jack likes it. Jack, okay, you checking it out? Oh, it's not a toy. I'm so sorry, honey. So yes, this is the Alexa doll, and it did have a little bit of markings on her face here, which she did say that in the listing. So that's why I probably need to throw it in the washing machine. I think I can, but she is still intact in the box. And there's all the different ones on the back here. There's, I can't remember their names now. I know, oh, here they are. Nikki, Alexa, Summer, and Tia. So there are 4 of them. And there they are on the back right there. So I think I only had this one. I don't think that I had the huggable one in another doll. If I did, it may have been Summer, but I can't remember. Sorry y'all, Jack's playing with his toy. I guess he's excited about this. So if y'all hear squeaking, that's him. I'm in shock, y'all. Like, this is, it doesn't even smell bad. It actually smells new, but I'm definitely gonna sanitize this. But her shoes are in great shape, actually, which I was really surprised, because the other listings, like, the shoes were all torn up, like this part, and there's a little bit of wear right there, but I mean, I'm not concerned about it for sure. Wow, I can't believe this. Crazy. I don't know what this is on the bottom here. It doesn't look very... Ooh, I may need to do something with that. I may just like tape it or something. But this is from 2000. Can't believe that I found this doll in the package. And I paid like $30, I think, for this, which to me is not bad at all, considering like that this is like the only one I found on eBay and anywhere. I found another set of dolls, but like I said, the shoes were all torn up and it wasn't in the package. This is the only one I found in the package. Come here, bud. And it didn't matter to me if it was in the package or not. Come on. Come on, sweetie. Come on. Good boy. But yeah, it's nice that it is, so I can display it. And like I said, I am going to wash it and I'm going to do something. I might have to throw this out. I don't really know what is going on here. I don't know. And I'm not a doll person, really. Like, when I was growing up, I was pretty tomboy, so I started getting into dolls when I was like maybe 10, you know? I can't remember, but either way, I know that I did love the Diva Stars, and I absolutely love that game. I wish that I could find it. I know they have a Game Boy Color game, but I got rid of my Game Boy Color because I'm not smart. I should have kept that. I don't know why I got rid of it. I sold it for like $20 or less. I don't even remember. But anyways, like, that's all I've got for you guys today. I really hope that y'all enjoyed this package as much as I did. I mean, I think it's just so fantastic, and let me know if you guys have heard of Diva Stars. I'm really curious if anyone else knows of this. It doesn't seem to be super popular, and I'm not really sure why, but that's what I had when I was a kid. So, you know, if you don't know what it is, let me know what your favorite childhood toys were, like whatever you want to comment. I love when you guys talk to me. And don't forget to like this video, let me know what you thought about it. And thank you guys so much for watching, and Jack and I will see you guys in our next video. Do we say bye? Oh, sweetie, you were so excited. Say bye to him, honey. Okay?